Hey, if you've ever dreamed of making cinematic videos but felt overwhelmed by cameras, editing software, or production costs, today's video is going to change everything for you. Because I'm going to show you how beginners can create stunning, story-driven films using AI, specifically with a tool called Cinemation. Think of this as your beginner's course in AI filmmaking, where you'll learn how to turn simple ideas into cinematic experiences without needing Hollywood budgets or years of training. Here's the truth. AI video creation has exploded in the past few years. Anyone can generate clips in minutes. But the problem is, most of those videos look the same: random, disconnected, and forgettable. The real challenge isn't just making more videos, it's making videos people actually watch, follow, and come back to. That's where Cinemation steps in. Instead of just speed, it focuses on structure, continuity, and storytelling. And that's exactly what makes it perfect for beginners who want to learn filmmaking the smart way. So, what is Cinemation? It's an AI-powered video creation platform designed to help you produce full-length movies, episodes, and story-driven content with consistent characters, locations, and scenes. Unlike other tools that spit out random clips, Cinemation maintains visual continuity, so your video feels like a complete cinematic experience. You can create videos from just 2 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes, covering everything from storytelling and documentaries to ads, narrations, and even educational content. Now, let's talk about why this is a game changer for beginners. First, you don't need technical skills. You can literally type your idea, let the AI build the story, and generate the video automatically. Second, it saves you massive amounts of time. Traditional filmmaking takes hours or days: shooting, editing, fixing transitions. With Cinemation, you can go from concept to finished video in minutes. And third, it gives you creative control. You can adjust scenes, dialogue, character appearance, emotions, and more with simple instructions. It's like having a professional film crew on autopilot, but you're still the director. Here are some of the standout features that make Cinemation perfect for your AI filmmaking journey. Shot Stitch System keeps action flowing smoothly across shots and scenes. Reusable characters and locations build series with recurring characters and consistent settings. Narrations and voiceovers create engaging educational or storytelling videos with narrator-style guidance. Multi-format output: landscape for YouTube, vertical for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Product integration: seamlessly place your products or promotions inside the storyline. Any language, any region. Reach global audiences by creating videos in multiple languages. This isn't just about making one video. It's about building a brand, a series, or even a content library that grows over time. And here's the part that really excites me. Cinemation isn't just about creating videos, it's about turning them into income opportunities. You can grow a YouTube channel, promote affiliate offers, offer video creation services to clients, or build social media audiences. Longer, story-driven content often performs better in terms of monetization and retention. So you're not just learning filmmaking, you're building assets that can generate revenue. Think of this as your beginner's course in AI filmmaking. Start small, maybe a 2-minute narrated explainer video. Then scale up, create a short drama with consistent characters. Eventually, you'll be producing episodic shows or even full-length movies. The beauty of Cinemation is that it grows with you. You don't need expensive gear, actors, or editing skills. You just need ideas, and the AI helps you bring them to life. So, if you've been waiting for the right time to start your filmmaking journey, this is it. AI-driven cinema is still in its early stages, and getting in now means you can build something meaningful before the space gets crowded. Cinemation gives you the tools to create, scale, and monetize cinematic content without the usual barriers. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI filmmaking tips, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of video you'd love to create first with Cinemation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.